Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add the Greek letter iota to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code. So here we'll start by creating a new Markdown cell, and we'll add in Greek alphabet ninth letter. So iota is the ninth letter in the Greek alphabet, and we'll add in LaTeX code, which is a backslash followed by lowercase iota. And to actually show this letter, we need to add $2 symbols before the LaTeX code, as well as $2 symbols after the LaTeX code. So now when we run this cell, we have the Greek letter iota here centered in the middle of the Markdown cell. So this is how to add the Greek letter iota to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning and I'll see you in the next tutorial.